Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to record your screen using OBS, or without it in just a few easy steps. Let's start with OBS. Open OBS and look for the Sources box at the bottom. Click the plus icon, then choose Display Capture to record your entire screen, or Window Capture to record a specific program. Click OK and you'll see your screen appear in the preview window. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the bottom right corner, and when you're done, click Stop Recording. Your video will automatically be saved in your Videos folder. Now, if you don't want to use OBS, here's how to record your screen without it. On Windows, press Windows plus Alt plus R, or in search bar type Game Bar to use the built-in Xbox Game Bar, then press the Start Recording button. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 5 to open the screen recording options. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.